Spell, spell. I'm going to make a spell. If you want to fly up in the sky, move your body and you can fly.
If you want super speed, take a shower. Show the television doing a business. I throw a stone and I break your bone. I go to the sun because I can run. If you have headache, take some lemon cake. And if you have flu, cover your body with food. Hello. You are taking a potion? Yes. Can you do that? Yes. First, you will need to take a rock and like a Yes, here. La casito, rica, orange, small, orange. And then put weights and guardians into the bowl. Then put the fingers and cookies into the blender. And then mix all the things. And finally, put in the prison into a few minutes. Then now I need a volunteer. And I need another. Xavier, you drink it and you think that...
Perfect, my potion is finished.